Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your own autoresponder using GetResponse. You can try GetResponse for free by using the link provided in the description below. This is a great opportunity to explore its features and see how it can benefit your business. Don't miss out on this chance to enhance your marketing efforts. First, let me tell you, what is an autoresponder? An autoresponder is a powerful tool that allows you to send automated emails to your subscribers over a specified time period. This is especially useful for nurturing leads and maintaining engagement with your audience. Let's dive into the setup process. Start by logging into your GetResponse account using the link provided in description. Navigate to Tools and then select Autoresponders. Click on Create Autoresponder. You'll see a field labeled Untitled Autoresponder. Here, it's essential to give your autoresponder a name that reflects its purpose. This name will appear in the list of your messages. For example, you could name it Welcome. Click here to download your ebook and bonuses. I recommend matching the name to the subject line for clarity. It's a best practice to include a call to action in your first email, whether that's welcoming your new subscriber or directing them to download a lead magnet. After naming your autoresponder, scroll down to the autoresponder settings. Since this is your first email, set it to send on day 0, which means it will go out as soon as someone signs up. Make sure to check all days for sending your emails. If someone opts in on a Saturday, you want them to receive their email right away instead of waiting until Monday. Keeping all days checked ensures a seamless experience for your subscribers. It's crucial to link the correct email list to this autoresponder. This ensures that the right subscribers receive the emails you've created. Now, you'll need to enter your From email address, which will appear to your subscribers. Next, input the subject line for your email. This is a critical component as it affects open rates. Click on the message area to design your email. I like starting with a blank template, which allows me the freedom to customize my content without any constraints. In the email body, write a warm welcome message. Once you've written your content, click Next to proceed to the tracking settings. Ensure that click tracking is enabled. This feature allows you to analyze how your subscribers interact with your links. If you want to utilize Google Analytics for more in-depth tracking, that's another option. After confirming all the settings are correct, click Save and Publish. Your first autoresponder email is now ready to go. Now that your initial email is set up, it will be sent immediately to anyone who signs up for your list. The next step is to create subsequent emails. You'll follow a similar process for each new email in your sequence, but remember to adjust the timing and content. For example, for your second autoresponder, set it for day 2. If a subscriber signed up on a Saturday at 9 p.m., the second email will automatically be scheduled to send 2 days later at the same time. I prefer this method because it increases the likelihood that your subscribers will be on their devices when the email arrives. People tend to check their emails during specific times, and you want to capitalize on that. Again, come up with a relevant subject line for this email, making sure to reflect the content accurately. Once more, select Design Message and choose a blank template to craft your email. Fill in your email content and click Next. Don't forget to double-check your tracking settings, then hit Save and Publish. As you build your autoresponder series, remember that you have the flexibility to send emails as frequently as you prefer. This method of automation is invaluable for your email marketing strategy. You might choose to send one email every 2 days, or you can adjust the frequency based on your audience's preferences. Keep in mind that while autoresponders are excellent for automation, you can still send broadcast emails whenever you have important updates, promotions, or announcements. This could include discounts, new launches, or special events. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore all the features available at GetResponse. You can start using it for free by clicking the link in the description below.